In this quick video, we'll show you how to assemble and set up your HandySpray ES so you can start spraying. There are 3 simple steps to set up your HandySpray. We will assemble the handle, connect the battery, and prime the pump. For assembly, you'll need a 1/2-inch wrench and a 1/2-inch socket, or 2 1/2-inch wrenches. The first step is to assemble the handle. Locate the hardware included with your HandySpray. There should be 2 bolts and 2 nuts. First, remove the bucket from the frame of your HandySpray ES. Once the bucket is removed, grab the handle. Notice that the handle has 2 holes on either side, an upper hole and a lower hole. Locate the 2 metal tabs at the bottom of the frame. These are the connection points for the lower part of the handle. Place the handle into the frame and ensure that the 2 metal tabs go into the lower holes on both sides of the handle. Once the lower tabs are secure, it's time to connect the upper holes of the handle to the frame. Insert the bolt completely through the body of the HandySpray and the handle. Once the bolt is completely through, attach the lock nut to the outside. Using your 1/2-inch wrench and your 1/2-inch socket, tighten the lock nut completely, securing the handle to the frame of the HandySpray ES. Repeat this process on the other side of the handle. Last, return your 5-gallon bucket back to the frame. Once the bucket is returned and you have confirmed that both sides of the handle are attached securely, you have successfully assembled the handle of your HandySpray ES. The next step is to connect the battery. Locate the black wire coming out of the handle of your HandySpray and connect it to the negative terminal on the battery. When you receive your HandySpray, the red wire should already be connected to the battery. If the red wire is not connected, simply connect it like you did before. Confirm that both wires are connected in their correct locations. If they are, your HandySpray ES now has power. The next and final step is to prime the pump. Before we prime the pump, add your desired cleaning solution or product to the bucket. Insert the strainer and the tube into the 5-gallon bucket. Ensure the strainer is pushed all the way to the bottom and secure the cap on top. Locate the red knob on the back side of the sprayer. Push and turn this knob clockwise until it no longer spins. Press and hold the on-off button on top of the sprayer and squeeze the trigger on the spray wand until the pump begins to cycle or pulse. Once the pump begins to cycle or pulse, turn the red knob a few turns counterclockwise. At this point, your pump should be primed and you should be ready to spray. For additional setup help or any questions, contact Frost Incorporated.